Hi folks, this is the Moonchild Explorer album, and for this album we used the Moonchild collection by Prima. The cover for this album is 7 inches wide by 6.5 inches tall. The base pages for this album they're 6.5 inches wide and 6 inches tall, and the usable space is 6 by 6. So let's take a look at what's inside this album. I went really simple with the inside covers, just a basic photo mat. This is I think this is a 4 by 6. Yep, 4 by 6. And we have that on both sides. It's actually a photo mat on the back, but this little shaker just pops right off. It's magnetized. And we have space for 5 photographs there, 6 photographs here. And we got a cute little pocket. You can put a photograph here. You can do some journaling here on the back of these cards. And here we've got some photo mats. I love this paper. This is my favorite paper from the collection right here. Here we've got a cute little waterfall. With space for 10 photographs. That folds out twice. I'm trying to get it all in frame here. We've got a pocket here with a photo mat, and you can put a photo up there real easy. That is actually glued down, so that's not a tuck spot, even though it looks like one. We've got a couple of photo mats here for smaller photographs. And 3 photo mats there. And then on this side, we have a photo mat. This is a tuck spot. So it just slides right in and out. That folds open. We've got a folio here. And I think this is also a tuck spot right here. If you wanted to, you could just slide something right in there. Got another photo mat here. Actually, this is a folio. A little journaling card that slides right in there. And a couple more pieces of ephemera. And these are just little pockets with photo mats on both sides. This is an envelope, and this was a challenge to create. You'll have to be sure and watch my Fin 2 video to see how I solved a little problem with this piece. And there are a couple of journaling cards tucked inside. There's 3 of them in there. So definitely check out the video for Fin 2 to see how I dealt with not only getting it mounted to the page, but also this piece right here. It was a little bit of a bugaboo. So we've got some spots for photographs right here and some journaling lines. And since this is a little bit busy on this side, I wanted to make this as flat as I could. So this just flips up right here. These are actually little tuck spots. These are not glued down, so you could slide photographs or ephemera in there. And we've got a little waterfall right here. Nice and simple, just some photo mats and journaling lines. This is white gel pen. This is one of my favorite pages right here. With when this is full of photographs, this shaker piece right here will be the closure for this page. So this is how it works. You just slide it up and open that, slide it down, open that, and flip out there. So we've got these spots here on these Dutch doors and a couple of photo mats on the base page. This photo mat is magnetized, kind of like the shaker element on the beginning of the album. And folds out. We've got a little photo mat here. These photo mats are magnetized. This one is glued down. These two are magnetized. So you can just lift them out and they will hold in place when you put them back. And I may decide to go ahead and magnetize this last page. Might not, I'm not sure. Got a little tuck spot here. And this is actually a tuck spot as well. So it's a double tuck spot. We've got a little accordion here. A pocket and a photo mat. So thank you guys so much for watching this flip through of my latest project. If you enjoyed the video, be sure and check out the other videos that are going to be posted in this playlist and subscribe to my channel. Bye.